Hello, this is Chef Anna. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have something very delicious yet easy to prepare, and follow me to my kitchen so I can show you how to make baked Pacific codfish. Very simple, very easy. Please come follow me. Thank you.
They say happy people makes the world go round. Happy people turn around to smile.
For today cooking, I am using approximately 2 pounds of filet cod fish. And here is the real image of codfish. I'm using just a few basic seasoning because I don't want to over elaborate this codfish, because codfish doesn't have the strong smell like other fish. So here are some simple ingredients and seasoning that I'll be using for today.
They say happy people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn around to smile. Happy people don't worry about a thing. Happy people take love and dominate. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn around to smile. Happy people don't worry about a thing. Happy people. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn around to smile. Happy people don't worry about a thing. Happy people take love and dominate. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn around to smile. Happy people don't worry about a thing. Happy people take love and dominate. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn around to smile. Happy people don't worry about a thing. Happy people. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn around to smile. Happy people don't worry about a thing. Happy people take love and dominate. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn around to smile. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn around to smile. Happy people don't worry about a thing. Happy people take love and dominate. They say happy people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn around to smile. Happy people don't worry about a thing. Happy people. people makes the world go round and round. Happy people turn the frown to a smile.
While waiting for the fish, I went ahead and turned on the portable ovens to 370 degree. I love portable ovens. It's so handy and it serves the purpose of cooking small meals, and you don't have to turn on the large oven to heat up the whole house. Once it's done with seasoning, we'll cover and refrigerate it for 15 minutes. Today we will be serving simple carb, which is the white rice. Yet there are better choice of complex carbs such as oats, brown rice, lentils, quinoas, or even couscous. As long as you have this cooked rice to go, then you have butter in the pan and just pour your rice in along with all the ingredients and just keep stirring until all the ingredients are combined very well. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that I already started my fish in the portable ovens and it's been cooking for the last 10-15 minutes or so, and it's already looking good. But today I'm serving someone else who does not have terrible food allergy like I do, so he will enjoy it. But of course, you cannot have this meal without these delicious varieties of fresh vegetables. What I have here are some green beans, carrots, and corn, which I cannot have, so I will have to pick it out. As for me, I love large serving of vegetables over carb because that's just the way I eat my meal. So here we are. We have completed our Pacific cod fish along with the buttered rice and then mixed vegetables. Since we already have this simple carb, we don't have to have any more bread or any more carb. We're just gonna leave as this. You're welcome to add green salads or fruits to go along with it. That would be perfect. Now we have concluded our cooking for today. I appreciate you tuning in. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. And could you please also help by clicking, share, like, and subscribe? I appreciate you and welcome you. And for those who visited me before and have not subscribed to my channel, will you please do the same thing? It means a lot to me and I always welcome you and always happy to see you here. Wherever you're at, have a good day, good evening, and good night.